I'm an Android gal. I love the control and customization I have with my devices, including the vast number of accessories compatible via USB-C. Today we'll go over some of the must-have USB-C accessories out there for Android. Hey everyone, my name's Trisha, and today we're talking must-have accessories for your Android devices. Today's Android phones are sleeker, faster, and missing some features many users still wish they had. The headphone jack, expandable storage, and replaceable batteries of yesteryear. Those were the days. Following Apple's lead, many Android manufacturers have removed these user-friendly features. I know. The good news? USB-C allows for a ton of versatility to get some of this functionality back using accessories. Not as great as built-in, but we do what we can. If lack of storage is an issue for you, there are some great USB-C flash drives and external SSDs that are tiny and lightweight and work great with phones. External drives like the Kingston XS1000 SSDs are ideal for this. They're fast and compact. Need something ultra portable? The Kingston DataTraveler microDuo 3C USB drive is a thumb-sized storage solution offering up to 256 gigabytes and dual connectors, USB-A and USB-C, so they're compatible across all your devices for easy transferring. If it's more power you crave, USB-C power banks are not just convenient, they're powerful. With USB power delivery, PD, they can charge devices up to 20 times faster than older USB standards. Great for travelers, commuters, and anyone who hates waiting for a full charge. Perfect for photographers, drone pilots, and GoPro users, USB-C microSD readers let you quickly transfer media to your Android phone, no laptop needed. Edit and upload footage on the fly, straight to social media or the cloud. For content creators and mobile podcasters, USB-C microphones offer plug-and-play simplicity with professional-grade audio. Whether you're a beginner or an audio pro, these compact mics deliver clean, clear sound and are rugged enough to go wherever you go. As mobile games get more complex, especially console ports like Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, or Fortnite, on-screen controls just don't cut it. That's where USB-C gaming controllers come in. With tactile analog sticks, precise triggers, and low latency input, these plug-and-play devices take your gameplay to a whole new level. Many even support Android's native controller APIs, so setup is instant. Just plug in and start playing. Want to turn your phone into a productivity powerhouse? USB-C hubs or docking stations give your Android phone extra ports, like HDMI for external displays, USB-A for keyboards or mice, SD slots for file transfers, and even Ethernet for stable network connections. They're perfect for DeX-enabled Samsung phones or anyone who wants to work or play on a bigger screen. USB-C has become the standard for Android devices, and with it comes a wide range of powerful, compact accessories that enhance how you listen, create, play, and stay productive. Whether you're a traveler, gamer, creator, or road warrior, there is a USB-C accessory out there that'll fit your lifestyle. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.